Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. You're actually welcome back to my fridge. Okay, this is my fridge. I just opened my fridge now, and guys, it's high time I cleaned it up. Okay, I have lots of leftovers, like unnecessary leftovers. I can see rice there, abacha ofe, fish, like unnecessary leftovers that I know that I'm not going back to. I've been postponing this. Today is Saturday, so today is the best time for me to do it, okay, so I can have space for fresh things in my fridge. If you're coming here for the first time, you're welcome. My name is Adaora, and I hope this video serves as a motivation to you. I know how it can be, like sometimes you just be postponing and postponing. Sometimes we'll just be postponing and postponing. Just open your fridge, throw just things here and there, and at the time it will become a mess. So I'm in that situation now, but it's going to end this second because I'm going to clean up everything, and I just want to take you guys along, okay? So let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. So guys, just an overview of what my fridge looks like, okay? Hey, look what come. See pap. Juice, pap. This is cabbage, leftover cabbage that I used last night to make shawarma. Juice. This is, oh my god, look at, I have some spills here. Rice, this is fried rice, this is fish, grilled tilapia fish, which I know I'm going to dispose. Yeah. Okay, this is oba. Then over here I have stew, I have eggs, I have grapes. Please ignore the baby noise. Over here I have cabbage, I have tomatoes, carrots, ginger, lemons. Then I have almost empty cans of water. I have I actually brought this one out from the fridge in the morning against tomorrow because tomorrow is Sunday. Then this is beans. Hey, this is almost empty. Look at, and it's occupying space. Anyway, this is rice. I have rice here, white rice. Yeah. And what do I have here? Hey, this is abacha. Let me open it. So much leftovers here. This is abacha and fish. Well, let me just show you guys before I just start cleaning, because I'm going to fast forward the cleaning process. Over here is apples. I have some grapes. I have juice. I have wine. I have this, like, just disorganized. And this section I have some bottled water. I have juice. Oh yeah, I actually need to arrange this. All this are not meant to be in the fridge. This is smoothie. These are protein smoothies, different flavors: strawberry, blueberry, raspberry, vanilla, banana. Well, I think this will go to the storage. They're not meant to be here because I don't even need them now, unless I have a visitor that wants to try it. Okay, let me show you guys. Jesus, look at this one here. Ow, so good. Well, don't worry, I'm gonna clean everything up. Here I have, okay, this was the oil and okbaka, that is oba, that we used in eating our roasted plantains and tilapia fish. this is the tilapia fish, which I know I'm going to dispose. Oh my god, I'm about to throw up. It's just the grilled tilapia. I'm not going back to it because oh gum. And I don't like leaving leftover for a long time in the fridge. So then this is fried rice, I guess. This is fried rice that was made last Sunday. I have lots of leftover. Sometimes you people will be like, all this food you make, how do you guys finish it? Is it not just your husband and these 2 kids? I tell them all the time that I store them in the fridge and freezer. So this is all the leftovers here. They don't make sense. This is akam. So well, so this is just all the crazy things I have here, so disorganized. And then at the door of the fridge, I still have water, which is not supposed to be here. I have some cheese. I have some what is this? Still some yogurt smoothie. I have this banana, sorry, not banana, this mango smoothie that I like. I have this is meat pie, okay, meat pie. Over here is my butter for baking. I have yeast for my bread. This is my bread machine yeast. I have an empty can of water. I also have an almost empty can of Coke. I have milk. I have jam or jelly. I have wine, and I have ketchup, barbecue sauce, peanut butter, mayonnaise, and some dressings, some ranch dressings. So these are all the things I have here. Okay, they are not properly arranged. I'm going to do just that now. Let me place my camera and you guys will just see me going up and down. So guys, this is the finished look. Okay, let me show you an overview of everything. So this is everything. I have the fruits, all the leftover fruits arranged here. This is okpa, abacha stew, rice, fried rice. Then here is the vegetable section. I have all the vegetables and some fruits here. I have the eggs here. I have the water and the juice over here. I have the grapes here. I have water here, and I have just drinks over here. Then here I have the smoothies, I have the butter, and I have some other random stuff here. So I think it's okay now. Okay, this is, at least it is arranged now. So guys, we've actually come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you in my next one. Until then, stay safe and God bless you. Bye bye.